Hi, we are at the Clevertech Tech Day 2025, and one of the attendee, Mr. Germain, he is from MONIN, and he will tell us more about MONIN. Sir, can you please brief us more about MONIN, please?
Yes, good afternoon, first of all. So I'm German, I'm the Managing Director of MONIN India Pvt Ltd. MONIN India is a fully owned subsidiary of a French family group based in central France called MONIN. And MONIN is the world leader in providing beverage solutions for the food service industry. Basically, we manufacture very high quality sharbat syrups and other products that will be used as an ingredient to making drinks, beverages served in cafe, hotel, restaurants, bars, etc. We have our journey in India started more than 20 years ago through the import model. And we decided we have a vision for India, and we believe India is the next big market. So we decided to come and make in India. And that's what brought me here not in Pune, but in Hyderabad, where we have set up our headquarters and our future Make in India plant. In 2018. We started setting up our direct operation at that year.
So can you please tell me what kind of solutions you are looking from Clevertech?
So at the time of setting up our factory, which will be completed in the next few months, we are planning for commercial production in Q2 2026. We were looking for partners who had the same mindset that us, who would be attentive to the demand of the Indian market, and so adapt the technology, the process to the demand of all key customers. So at MONIN, we pride ourselves on top of quality to be very flexible in how we offer our product portfolio and our services, our solutions to our clients. And the factory we are building up in India and setting up, we want this factory to be the most state-of-the-art factory we have in the world. We didn't want to invest in India with the mindset that we will come and do something of low quality. We really wanted to show our Indian customers as well as the rest of the world that India could be a place where you could have high expectations met in terms of quality in all aspects. I believe we found a match with Clevertech. The project is not fully over, but what we have been seeing in terms of from the design for providing the solution for the lines that we are going to install within our future factory, we appreciated the approach, the mindset, and the adaptability was the key. And not come with only capacity to listen, to adapt, and to have a flexible mindset.
Great. So I'd like to understand more about MONIN. So is the Indian factory for Indian consumption only, or you are planning exports also from here?
So we are doing in India, mainly for India. So yes, there will be a few markets to start with, the neighboring markets such as Nepal, Bangladesh, etc. That will be catered from our Indian factory. But with, the manufacturing process is going to be more than 90% of the volume will be directed to the Indian consumers.
So coming to the manufacturing, so the sourcing part, will that be also from India?
Yes, we aim to have most of all the product finished goods is imported from one of our sister concern in Malaysia presently. When we start the factory, we aim to be more than 90% of the raw material in volume sourced from India. So to be self-sustainable, and this is part also of our vision. Is that's why we invest in to have presence in many factories. Although we are still a mid-sized company, is we believe we want to be closer to customer for flexibility, but also for what we believe is a responsibility when it comes to sustainability of what we do. Because as you know, in Europe and other parts of the world, the sustainability factor and the impact on the environment is very key.
Okay, so can you please brief us more on the sustainability part? How actually you are achieving that?
So So we have a strong CSR vision. One is on the communities, but I will not talk about it today
Understand.
because it's less relevant. One is about the regeneration of the environment.
Okay.
For that, for example, the factory we are building, we build it on a land that is 40 acres of land on the west side of Hyderabad, and a big chunk of that land will be used for walking the talk when it comes to regenerating. Rejuvenation of the land. We're going to bring back flora and fauna. We're going to regenerate. We're going to take care. Water sources is very precious as well in India. So we will also have initiatives to preserve water, to recharge the underground water. And when it comes to CO2 emission, just the fact that we're setting up a factory in India for India reduce what we call the carbon emission for just transportation alone, what people call the scope 3. And when it comes to the factory, the way we design the factory, the equipment we're buying also is going to save a lot of energy. So we always choose as a first choice the equipment that will have less impact, less carbon footprint. And we will of course have a solar panel, and the estimation the solar panel we will install will at least very quickly be suffice for clearly up to 30% of the entire energy requirement of the factory itself.
That's great. And this Indian setup is under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative of the government of India.
Yes, and we want to develop to also we fully follow the Viksit Bharat vision. So one of those things is also about safety. So we're also trying to, take our part when it comes to the safety of the workers. I'm proud to say that we are nearly crossed 2 million man-safe hours on the site, and we are encouraging all safety measures. And we're walking the talk on that. And we hope that until the end of the conclusion of the project, there won't be any casualties or fatalities in terms of accident.
Great. And we really look forward to see your factory up and running by Q2 next year.
Exactly.
And we wish you all the very best, German.
Thank you.
You so much.